In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link Hostinger with WordPress in just a few minutes. Whether you're creating your very first website or looking to expand your digital footprint, this simple process will help you get up and running with minimal effort. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your WordPress site all set up with Hostinger's efficient hosting services. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Hostinger's official website. Hostinger is a popular web hosting service that provides a user-friendly platform to bring your ideas online through a website. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, focus your attention on the top right corner. Here, you'll spot the Login option. Give that a click. This will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Hostinger account. If you're not already registered, make sure to create an account to follow along. After successfully logging into your account, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard, often referred to as the H panel. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your hosting experience. Now navigate to the home section of Hostinger, which gives you a broad view of your domain settings and hosting packages. Once you're in the home section, locate and click on the hosting button. This is where you'll manage the hosting for your website. From the hosting page, it's important to zero in on the specific hosting package you want to link to WordPress. Once you've identified it, you'll notice a Manage button next to the package name. Click on it to enter the detailed management interface for your hosting plan. Here you'll have a plethora of options ranging from domain settings to database configurations. Next, direct your focus to the Websites tab. Clicking on this will reveal various website settings, allowing you to manage, tweak, or create sites as needed. To set up WordPress on your hosting package, look for the option labeled WordPress Install. Clicking on WordPress Install will prompt another page where you'll see Install WordPress. This option simplifies the installation process, guiding you through the necessary steps. Finally, click Install WordPress and follow the instructions on screen to complete the setup. You'll be led through options to configure your WordPress details, such as selecting a theme, setting your website's name, and adjusting other fundamental settings. This intuitive process is designed for ease of use, allowing for a swift installation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only linked Hostinger with WordPress, but also set the stage for creating a dynamic website. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy website building!